Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to show you a new edition set of videos that I put up to my Python course, building out infrastructure. Come under the store. All you gotta do is look for this guy right here, Python 3 infrastructure blocks with crypto. So that's what I'm referring to right here. And when you get access, you'll get it through here, and then that will take you to the page. It's obviously loading up, but here's the description. Make sure you refer only to Python 3 infrastructure blocks with crypto. This covers crypto analysis or downloading of data under Binance, but there's an example of there. But I just want to let you know I've now added a new video, Intro to Download OANDA Market Data with API and Token. So you click that, you'll get now a new edition, which covers also FXCM, CCXT, which is Binance or any exchange that's supported by CCXT, among other things. So that's in the course now. So if you want it, just come to the store and pick off, as I said, the Python 3 infrastructure blocks crypto, not this one here, Python version 2. We are wanting Python version 3. Over and out. Have a good one. Take it easy.